lalela umngane wami. Stera now, Willie now. Willie now. Tiya Wandela, kunjani impintshi yami? Bhala le ngoma nethembu zayithanda impintshi yami. Bhala le ngoma nethembu zoqola impintshi yami. Whatever goes wrong, zakucela uxolo but andiyazi into nerongo. Impintshi yami asoze ndiklahle mna ndifunga isibozo. You like my big brother undiqelela nxa ndirongo. Bhala le ngoma ngoba inhlungu engaphakathi kum. Asithethe sani leyo inhlungu engaphakathi kum. Kwenzeka ntoni lonke umbuzo sengqondweni kum. Sinamaphutha sobabini woba siphumelele. Sinamaphupha bebomini suvele uyekelele. Ngicela siphushe iphupha lethu mfethu sincekelele. Ukuba ndimorongo mfethu ngicela uzungixolele. Mamela kuwe ndithi useye yami impintshi. Xa ngifaya nawe ndiyajabula ingathi khala isiginci. Esiphila kunye siqekezelane nobintu incinci. Asithethisane ngokusixatyaniswa zinto ezincinci. Mayinika sebancinci. Masihlale phansi solve lento sibone uba masiyithini. But really now, bijamo ndiyakhumbula nxa sawusithi Stera now. Let's forget now. Andifuna uyazi babe kutheni masenze umculo now. Let's rock a vibe now. Bijamo I need to now. Uthalita no alita ngabantwana bethu. Sabathiya sasinenjongo mani ngethemba lethu. Masibe nebhongo neqhayiya ngabantwana bethu. Masihlale phansi seke pride senze umculo wethu. Eyongathethi bangathana nabazali bethu. Bijamo I miss you, I really need you. Yeah man, Stera now. It's quiet noise record. Aina chorus lay track man. I write this song for my friend man. Yeah, Willie now. Yeah, I really need you man. Yeah, let's do this you know. Senze umculo. Like iphupha lethu singaleki manje liphele lo hlobo. You know that. Those umhlaba zininzi but ke let's do this man. Let's do this. I'm out. Stera now.